Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my previous videos, I was telling you that Bitcoin may retest the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, and this was the resistance of the triangle that we had here at $21,900. And today we have retested this level, and in today's analysis we will also take a look whether the price line is going to start the next reversal move from here, or are we going to break down this support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to start with this 4-hour time frame chart. And here we can see that Bitcoin is forming a down channel. We have few rejections here at the resistance and several touch points at the support. And by the way, previously here we also formed this down channel that is more visible, by the way, on the hourly time frame chart. And there is a kind of repetitive move that I'm watching here. This is the current channel, and here we have the previous down channel. Now here, if we take a look at the stochastic, then we can see that while here we had a last touch at this support, then you can see price line was forming lower high, lower low than previous low, but stochastic was exhausted, and it did not form lower than previous low. It formed higher low than previous low. So there was a bullish divergence, and we broke out the channel and we had a nice move. Now if on this 4-hour time frame chart, we can see that while it has tested this support and likely to have a bounce from here, then price line again is forming lower than previous low, and at the same time you can see once again stochastic oscillator is exhausted and it has formed a higher low than previous low, and there is another bullish divergence like we had previously while we were touching here at the support of this channel. And same as like that, we are having a bullish divergence. Therefore it is possible that after this reversal move, we may break out this channel, and after breaking out this resistance, the target can be here at the top of the channel. That will be once again approximately at 24k. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here I was telling you that we have broken out down channel, and we have also broken out a resistance of the triangle as well. Therefore there are two probabilities that we may retest the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, and for example, if it will break down this level, then there will be a probability that we may test the resistance of the channel as a support, and that will be now we have a quite sideways move here, therefore it can move here down up to approximately $18,500, and after testing this resistance as a support, in case of successful retest, we may have another reversal move. Right now you can see that we have tested this resistance of the triangle as a support. Today we had a drop up to $21,745, and I'm not expecting that we are going to break down this level, because this is also a key resistance. You can see that since after 14th of June, it was working as a very strong resistance. We had a rejection here, we had rejection here, we had rejection here, and right now it has flipped into a support. And if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, then there is also a possibility that we are going to form a double bottom at this support, and after forming this double bottom, we will have a powerful reversal move from here. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame chart, then we are still struggling to break out this resistance of the 200 weekly simple moving average. You can see the value of this 200 weekly simple moving average here. The value is $22,782, and still we are moving below than this support. But if we switch to the monthly time frame, and if we watch the 50 monthly simple moving average, I'm just going to change the value of this moving average from 200 to 50. Then you can see we are having the support of this 50 simple moving average. The value of 50, you can watch the value here, is right now $21,600, and we are above this support. And at the same time, Bitcoin is also forming another uptrend line support. It is, you can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce, and we are likely to have another bounce from this support, and also the support of this 50 monthly simple moving average as well. Therefore, I'm expecting that we can expect a powerful reversal move from here. At the same time, we are testing this key support of this $21,500. That was also the support of this ascending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And at the same time, there is also a bullish divergence flashed on this 4-hour time frame chart, and I'm expecting that we are also going to break out this down channel, even though this is a very small time frame, 4-hour time frame chart. But right now it is very important because we are testing few key supports like this uptrend line support, the 50 monthly simple moving average, and also the key support of $21,900 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.